Hi, so my CSM journey with Techademy transformed my career trajectory. Their expertly structured program helped me master Scrum fundamentals with confidence. Within months of certification, I successfully transitioned my department to Agile, reducing project delivery time by 30%. Techademy's hands-on training approach and dedicated mentorship gave me a practical tools to tackle complex team challenges. Now I am managing 2 high-performing Agile teams and recently got promoted to Senior Scrum Master. The ROI wasn't just professional. The problem-solving mindset I gained through Techademy's program has been invaluable. Their comprehensive training made my CSM success possible. Thank you so much.